wanted to talk you through a Venn diagram here. We need to build a Venn diagram for the following. So we have A is going to represent all the students that are enrolled in an art class, and there's 100 of them. And B is the number of students enrolled in the biology class. There's 200 of those. But then they tell us that 20 are enrolled in both A and B. Okay, so this is an intersection with this word and. So let's start by building our circles. Go back to circles. Okay. We've got circle A, and I'm going to go ahead and put circle B down. And we can label them. This is circle A, and this is circle B. Okay, so A is going to be all the students enrolled in art class. So there's 100. Now there will be some in this area too. Okay, but there's 100 in A, and then there's 200 in B. But they did tell us that there's 20 that are going to be enrolled in both A and B. So that's this area right in here. Let me fill it in with a painkiller here. Fill it in with green like they did earlier. Okay, so for A intersection B, we know there's going to be 20 students in there. Nope, I don't want that green anymore. Let's make that black. Okay, so 20 students in A intersection B. I don't think I can, it's not going to let me type that intersection symbol. Let's see if I can come over here. A, B, a little bit more space in there. And then if I do, what happens if I do a U? And let's just flip it upside down. Select, I'm going to do transparent. So I can make it bigger. It's going to let me, oh look, there it is, rotate. 180, there you go. Look at there, rotate 180 degrees, A intersection B. And then we'll bring that over here. Okay, so A intersection B, they told us is 20. But how much does that leave for just the white part of A? If I'm taking away that 20 students, how much does that leave for the white part of A? Well, we said originally A had 100 students in it, and this green is going to take away 20 of those, right? So if we do our 100 minus 20, that's going to give us 180. So let's put 180 in, no, I'm sorry, I'm not doing math right, 80. Let me delete this fella too. 180 is the next one. I wasn't focusing on my math. Okay, so try this again. 100 minus 20 is 80. And then, yes, we put 80 into A. Same type of thing for B. This B part that doesn't have the green in it, okay, just that white part of B. B was originally 200, and then the green part took away 20 of those. So that's going to leave us 180, and we can fill that in right there. Okay, so the intersection is what is in both A and B. And they told us that was 20. So if I put the 80 and the 20 together, that was all of A, which is 100. If I put 20 and 180 together, that was all of B. But this A intersection B are the students that are in both art and biology.